Like, don't do it for real. Stop. It's not for real.
Hey you guys, so the palette that we're gonna use for Emily is this one. Is by Tarte and it's called Sexy Kitten. This is the eyeshadow that we're gonna use first. It's called Sly. This one right here is like a light beige. So we're gonna start off with that one first.
Let's go.
Close your eye.
This brush actually tickles.
Mm-hmm.
What can I say?
Okay, look this way a little bit. Like that. Close your eye.
So it's called Paul right here.
Yes, Paul, we're gonna use this eyeshadow right here.
Yeah, that goes right there. It says Paul.
Yeah.
Play.
You're gonna use it for your eyelid. Okay, close your eye. Close your eye. This one right here.
The wild cat, it says that.
Okay. Close your eye, Emily.
She's gonna use it. Oh, that one tickles. It's like, I don't know. It is mascara.
And this is the telescopic L'Oreal mascara.
Yeah, it's like it's like this kind of things. Like, it's like this one, but not the same.
Mm-hmm.
Like, this stuff that the mascara has, that one is like little the mascara stuff.
Okay.
So, look. Next, we're going to use these eyeshadows. These are the ones. We're not going to use the bottom one, only the top one. The bottom one looks like different on me, so we're just going to use this top one. Now we're going to use this one. It's like this white stuff is like too blue when you put it on.
Mm-hmm.
So that's going to do it.
Close your eye, okay?
Tickles.
It tickles.
Yeah, when the little white.
Okay. Open it.
Next, we're going to use the Wildcat again because she forgot this eyelashes.
Mm-hmm. The bottom lashes. Okay. Let me add it. Look up.
We're going to use the lipstick Venus.
This is by Tattoo Junkie.
Yeah, it's like where it has the glitter. It has the.
Mm-hmm.
Make sure you see it. There. Now we're gonna put on my mask from Claire's. And we're gonna put it on. It's like this actually. So my sister just a lot of lipstick on her. Seriously. Yes, look at my lipstick. The next one. Now I'm all done with my makeup, so now it's my sister's turn. Hey guys, it's me, Emily's sister, and today we are going to be using this palette, and today we are going to be using the Nocturnal for me, and this is my first palette I'm going to be using. What I'm going to be using is Hide and Seek. It's kind of like a lightish brown, and once you use it, it's going to look a little bit prettier. The next shade we're going to be using is Break Free. It's kind of like a whitish, but a little bit darker than the last white that we used. We're going to be using for my eyeliner is Flip Out. It's a dark brown. Using the same shade that we use for the eyeliner, and we're going to use it for my lip liner. This side is a copy of the thing that what it looks like for my entire makeup. Using these eyelashes on the top part is so glittery, and we're only going to be using the top part because once you put the bottom one too, then it's going to look so weird that you can't really blink your eyes. So we're just using the top part. The thing we're going to be using is mascara, and this mascara is telescopic.
Telescopic.
Telescopic. The stick I'm going to be using today is called Trophy Wife, and it's going to be a darkish pink. I'm the White Swan. I hope you like it. This is my entire makeup, guys, including with the wings. Bye, guys. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up.